Hi everyone, exercise 5.1 question number F. Convert the following into power notations. Now we will see question number 2, which is 512 upon 1331. What we have to do? We have to convert it into power notation. Let's start now. First we have to convert 512, then we have to convert 1331 into power notation. 512. We know this method, right? Here the last number is 2, which is even number, so this number is divisible by 2. So we will take 2. 2 2s are 4, here becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, this becomes 12, 2 6s are 12. Now we again have even number in which last term is 6. So we will divide this number again by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, this becomes 16, 2 8s are 16. Again we get even number and again we will divide this number by 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again this is an even number, so we will repeat the procedure. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again even number, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now write down the factors. Factors of 512 is equal to how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 to the power 9. We have got this power notation. Now we will find the power notation of 1331. We know we have to write like this: 1331. This number is even, odd number. Last digit is 1, and we know divisibility rule of 11. 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4, and 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So we will divide this number by 11. 11 ones are 11, this become 23. 11 twos are 22, this become 11, and 11 ones are 11. Now again we will divide this number by 11. 11 ones are 11, here become 11, 11 ones are 11. Again we will divide this number by 11, 11 ones are 11. We have got the power notation. 1331 can be written as 11 to the power 3. Now we can write 512 by 1331 is equal to, what we have got, 2 to the power 9 upon 11 to the power 3 is equal to, we can write 2 to the power 9 like this, right? 2 to the power 3 into 3, because we know 3 3s are 9 upon 11 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 3 upon 11 whole to the power 3. We know this rule: a to the power m upon b to the power m equal to a upon b whole to the power m. And we also know that 2 to the power 3 equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 upon 11 whole cube. This is our answer.